we believe, the President Joe Biden and I, our administration, we all believe that all people have a right to be able to drink clean water.
Vice President Kamala Harris in Pittsburgh today addressing lead in the nation's water supply and efforts to fix the problem. Funding to fix lead pipes is included in the massive infrastructure plan.
KDKA political editor John Delano was in Homewood today. He's live with what the vice president had to say. John.
Hey, Kim and Ken, you know, Vice President Harris was here in Homewood because disadvantaged communities are really most at risk for lead pipe water contamination. But it's happening everywhere. In this region, 4 out of 5 homes were built before lead was banned in 1978. Pittsburgh has been a step ahead of other cities by installing safe, lead-free water lines for many homeowners. And the vice president said this local work was a model for others around the country.
I just want to thank the leaders here in Pittsburgh and Pennsylvania for the work that you've been doing.
Harris said the problem is a serious one affecting millions of homeowners.
On the issue, then, of lead pipes, we know that up to 10 million homes in our country have lead pipes that are feeding the water that flows in their home.
The vice president announced a $500 million program to educate about the danger of lead pipes, to help homeowners learn if they are at risk, and to replace unsafe pipes everywhere.
That money will go to a number of things. Public education. It will go toward what the local governments can do to facilitate testing, at-home tests, things of that nature. And it will go to the removal, then, of lead pipes.
And the vice president stressed safe drinking water was not reserved for the wealthy. This money from the infrastructure bill must be spent equitably to help all communities replace unsafe water lines.
This should not be a function of how much money you have to pay to remove the lead from the pipes. It is an issue of public health. We have talked about the damage to children, to adults, from drinking water that has lead. And then 3, this is an education issue. This is literally an issue about the education of our children.
Now, lead poisoning has a particularly pernicious effect on children, especially young children. Over a 4-year period, the Allegheny County Health Department found that more than 1,700 children in this area were affected by lead poisoning. No wonder local officials are taking this so seriously. Live in Homewood, I'm John Delano, KDKA News.